In this video I will show you how to attach the plastic canvas pieces. Like, this is a divider piece and this is the base piece, so I will show you how to attach this. So first I will match the edges, match this line of the divider piece where I have to put it. Okay, so I will take the wire piece, it's cut already, start from center. Okay. What I have done, that I have taken out the wire from both the pieces. Okay, so now I will crisscross it and put it in the base piece. Both pieces base piece, both pieces base piece. So but I will also be leaving one hole, like this is the first hole and I will put it in the second hole like this. Okay, so I will bring it out to the front, same method, leave one hole and the next hole, leave one hole and then in the next hole. I'm working from center to right. I will flip it, I will rotate it, bring it forward, leave one hole, both pieces and the base piece, take it to the back, leave one hole, both pieces. Okay, bring it out to the front, base piece. When we are at end of the pieces, what we will do, that we will go through the last hole like this. Okay, so this is how I have attached the divider piece. Okay, so simple.